Hi, in this video I want to show you a little hack for audio in motovlogging, and it really helps a lot because like oftentimes our bike gets really loud and then the mic couldn't really pick up the sound and our voice at the same time. So this is my tip. I'm going to teach you how to do it. It's very simple but very effective and it's free. Alright, so this is my camera. It's not a GoPro, it's a Mi Action Cam. It's the cheapest one and this is the only thing I can afford, not a GoPro. So this thing doesn't have a audio jack, so I have to do my own hack into this. And hold on, let me show you. Yeah, it doesn't have an audio jack, so I got myself an audio jack and then I solder into this camera, and then I connect it with a regular mic. So it's actually really long. It's too long, and it's the wire is a bit too thick when I roll it up, and it bothers me a bit at my cheek. So I cut it and I solder it again to make it shorter. So when I use this mic, like I plug into it and use it straight away, it's going to be very loud, and it's nice, it's clear, but when I open up the throttle and everything is like not there's a lot of parts that when distorted, like blown out and stuff like that. And so this little hack that I find out a few days ago that I want to share it with you, it's really easy. So now let's have a look at how this thing actually sounds first. Right now I think my voice is quite clear, and this is what I want, right? No, actually it's not, because when you start up the bike and then my voice is going to be like super blown up. Oh yeah, oh that's a Versys 1000, man. Okay, so this is how it's going to sound after the startup. Let's go. So everything is very clear, and my voice is all blown out, I believe, and I'm speaking in a very normal tone, not soft and not loud. Okay, so as we can see that my voice is completely blown out, and also when I open up the throttle, but especially my voice part, it's gone. It's not nice lah. So what are we going to do is, you look at this mic. Okay, you see 3 big holes, right? We don't want that. That's too much for motovlogging. It's too much because our exhausts tend to be quite loud sometimes. I mean, most of us have loud exhaust because we love loud exhaust. So we are going to cover these holes up with, and this is what you need: electrical tape. I'm using red because I can show you better. A needle, or this. I'm using this because it's sharp enough and I don't have a needle now. Scissors to cut the electrical tape, and this one. What is this called? I don't know what this is called, but it acts as a dead cat for wind buffeting. Yeah, so let's test how this sounds first. Okay, ready?
Hello, hello,
hello, hello, hello, hello. Okay, so I'm not screaming on it. It's just like my normal voice. Hello, hello. Yeah. Okay. So right now we are going to cut a small portion of this electrical tape, so we can just cover the holes. Okay, just nice. So the holes have been covered. So what we are going to do now is we're going to take your needle, not your needle, mine, this one, the needle or whatever. Poke a very small hole, but not too small. Give it a bit of a hole. Stretch it up a bit. Okay. So you can see mine has a tiny hole, and we are going to test it again. See if there's any difference or not. Hello, 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 hello. Ha, ha, ha. Okay. So as you can see, it's been softened up drastically, quite a lot. I'm very happy with the results. So I'm just going to move to the next step, which is adding this onto this. This is easy stuff. Okay, if you think that this is a bit too much for you, and then you can just cut it off a bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use electrical tape and tape down the bottom part of it. So this is how I do it. Yes. Oops. Okay, so I'm done. This is going to be good, I think. So right now I'm going to ride with this DIY setup on, and let's see if it's better or not. And I hope it's better, and it will be better.
Alright, okay, so this is how it sounds after the mic hack, and it should sound okay, right? Right, now let me start up the bike and let's go for a ride. Yeah. Oh, I'm at the wrong side of the road. I am not sure how well can you hear me, but I'm quite confident it is way better than previously. I hope this video actually helps you in terms of your problems that you are facing. I think this will work for a lot of motovloggers that want to start, because these are like the problems I faced at first, and then now I actually, you know, discovered this trick, and I really want to share with you all. So I want to see more motovloggers in YouTube or any platform. I personally am not really big as a channel. I'm just doing it for fun, not for money. I have tips, I upload. Oh my god, this guy is so slow. Okay. So I hope this video helps you, and if it helps you, really give me a like, subscribe, comments down if your try is successful or not, or if you have any problems about audio, and let me know. See you all. Bye bye.